Hey everybody, I am here today to show you the basics of this adorable dessert themed interactive die. Now on this die, you can see I only cut one of the dies away. I run everything else through my die cutting machine all at once, but this one you need to cut out so you can get a full lid. Look at the little blueberries, strawberries, cakes. It's so fun. I'm going to show you some of these elements here. I have a bundt cake, which I'm going to be using with a frosting layer, little strawberry and a stem, and there are also these cute little blueberries. There is a lid. I cut it both from white cardstock and from vellum. The little circle that it cuts is how you lift it up. And I will be making a bundt cake, 0 calories. Now this is the cake stand base, so I just colored that like glass. There are these cute little meringues if you wanted to make like a key lime pie. There are 2 different kinds of ways to make cupcakes, all kinds of fun stuff in this die. But the slider mechanism could not be simpler. Now look at this geniusness. So this is a pull tab die that you've seen me use several times. But this is new, this U-shaped channel that helps you guide your pull tab is so genius. So this is the pull tab from the front, and you're used to me putting little foam to guide the pull tab, but look at this U-shaped die that keeps it in its little channel. It also lets you create a bottom of any height, which I will show you at the end. But I just think this is so smart. Now I've marked the bottom where I want my cake dish to be, just in relation to my slider channel. This slider channel die does come with this die set, or you can use any of your other ones. And depending on where you want your cake on the card, you'll just adjust your slider channel up and down to accommodate that. So I just drew a line where I wanted my cake stand. But this doesn't have to be anything like mine. So put it wherever you want on your card and just move your slider channel accordingly. Now I set up the bundt cake just on top of the cake plate die. And there is a little crease in the middle you can line it up with, which is awesome. And then I'm going to put the frosting on. The top contours of the dies match up, so it's very easy to line up. A little white gel pen makes that look shiny and delicious. And that is pretty much it. So put whatever dessert you want on your little cake plate and cut yourself a lid, and we are off to the races with this super simple interactive die. So I'm just putting temporary adhesive. I'm just using a glue dot just to show you for the purposes of this video. But you will want to use a permanent adhesive to attach your little lid to. And I decided to attach it to the very top, that little handle of the cake plate top. I have one of these that actually is a punch bowl when you turn that upside down and put it in the base. So anyway, this is a very cool, very realistic die. So I'm just lining up that little lid on my spin and slide disc, and that is what's going to pull it up and down in the nice U-shaped channel that keeps it straight. It's vellum, so you can see through it just like a cake plate. I just love this channel so much. Again, cut it off and move it up. If you wanted yours to start right here, let's say, just glue the channel down there and cut the little legs off the top of the card. So it's very versatile. You can use any slider in any position on your cards with that amazing U-shaped channel. So there's for a super simple slider mechanism and an adorable, sweet themed die set. Hope you enjoy it as much as I do.